Hello, Tony Auden here with your Get Ready Queensland severe weather outlook for May. The official cyclone season has drawn to a close now, and while tropical cyclones are still possible out to sea, any activity near Queensland is much less likely now. Having said that, we do still have a risk of severe weather from east coast lows over the southern Queensland coast. These weather systems peak in late autumn and can bring heavy rain, strong winds and dangerous beach conditions. They are most frequent in southeast Queensland. Checking the rain outlook, and drier than average conditions are expected through May and into winter too. With plenty of vegetation around after recent wet years, this is an ominous sign for our next fire season as we move towards spring. A global climate model suggests we could go into an El Nino, which would mean drier than average conditions hang around into next spring and summer. So again, fire preparedness is the main concern at the moment. As we move out of the severe weather season, it's time to start preparing for the next season. Take time to check your emergency kit to make sure items are within their expiry date and still working. This includes first aid, batteries and stored food. For more information, head to the Get Ready Queensland website, and I'll have your daily weather forecasts and warnings on 7 News.